Hi, Katie and Kenzie. This is Mindy Wheat. I just wanted to talk to you about Reading Plus. I'm really excited to see that Kenzie was able to get on it this week and her comprehension was really, really good. I think this level and the increased speed is really helping her out. If it gets too easy, she should be able to level up pretty quickly. And also be sure to remember that if a story is tricky, Kenzie, you can push the reread button 2 times without hurting your overall comprehension score. I also noticed this week you were on and you did 3 read around the vocabulary, and those are all the way up at a high level, level G, 7th grade. And then I balance, you also were able to crank through 3 of those. You're working at a really fast rate at 185 words per minute, so keep it up. Thanks for doing all that you did this week.